Hi, this screencast will show you how to search the full-text database Knovel. So let's say we're interested in looking for information on designing spillways. So we enter in our term spillway design. And because it's a phrase, I'm going to use quotation marks. Without using the quotation marks, the database will find information on spillway and design, which might be relevant, but not as specific as we need. And I'm going to click on the button Search. So, the database found 3 books: Soil Mechanics and Engineering Practice, the 3rd edition, Applied Hydrology, and Hydraulic Design Handbook. Over here it tells me how relevant my terms matched the terms in the book, so 100%, 99, and 93. I'd like to have a look at Applied Hydrology, so I'm going to click on that link. And it gives me a little information about the book, the authors, and a description about it, and what have you. And then it gives me the chapters which my term spillway design was actually mentioned in the book. So chapters or sections 13.2, chapter 14, and 14.1. So I'm going to have a look at chapter 14, Design Storms. In order to see that, all I have to do is click on the text button over here on the right hand side. One of the great things I think about Knovel is that when the chapter opens up, it actually highlights the terms that I put in, so I can see them right away. So I'm just going to increase this in size. So here we go. Spillway design, for instance. So as I look through the chapters or the pages in the chapters, right away I can see where spillway design is mentioned within the chapter of the book. So I'm going to close this up. But if I wanted to save this chapter, all I have to do is click on the little save icon, or of course I could print it out, or I could email that chapter to myself. But I'm going to close this for now. To find more information, I would just enter in my terms and search again. So this time, without the quotation marks, I now have 4 items. I have Civil Engineer's reference book as well was added to my list. So sometimes, you know, when you're doing a search, try it with quotation marks, but then other times just take away your quotation marks. Alright, so that's Knovel, and really what it acts is like another full-text library that you have access to from home. You don't actually have to come in and use ours if you can find whatever you need here. If you can't find what you want, remember, change your terms, check your spelling, or of course come to the library and we'll give you a hand there.